Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. RoadsideImports.com presents
1, 2.
the German BOKER tree brand Leverlock 712. Due to German knife laws being changed, they stopped BOKER from selling the Leverlock 712 on the market, and all the molds and stamping equipment have been destroyed. So, this is the last of them on the planet. The tang stamp is BOKER, Germany. It's stainless with the tree brand logo. It's solid nickel silver bolsters and lever, brass liners. The blade measures 3 3/8. It has black Delrin jig scales. So, own yourself a part of German Switchblade history, because there are no more 712s. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.